You'll never clean your oven any other way after watching this. Here are 3 simple steps to clean like a pro. I even baked on half a stick of butter and some pizza sauce several days ago so that you could really see how effective this method is. And when it comes to cleaning those oven racks, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get the job done. Step number 1, soak and saturate. To make your life easier, grab a little handheld vacuum and suck out anything that you have left remaining in your oven. This also works great in getting in all those nooks and crannies in your oven. I like to use Dawn Power Wash, an excellent degreaser. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way. Here's something that I do not recommend that most will tell you to do. Use baking soda. Here's a big no-no in my opinion. Skip the baking soda. You do not need it. All you need is the Dawn Power Wash. The baking soda can leave streaks and smears if you do not clean it up well enough. You don't need it. But what you do need is a decent sponge. Step number 2, let the Dawn Power Wash work its magic. I let mine sit for about 10 minutes. If yours is really bad, let it sit and saturate longer. Step number 3, scrub any remaining residue as needed. That's it. Soak, sit, scrub. I recommend grabbing some paper towel to get that preliminary grease up. That way you're not ruining your microfiber towels. And you can see all the dirt and grime I was able to pick up. So satisfying. Next, grab yourself some vinegar. This step is optional, and I just used a sponge that I had laying around and pick up any remaining grease. This is also going to make your oven nice and shiny. If you find that your oven still is not clean as you'd like it to be, repeat these 3 simple steps. If you still have stuck on grease on that oven door, grab yourself some steel wool. This is what professional glass cleaners will use. It works like magic without damaging your glass. Look at how nice, clean, and shiny my oven is. I'm so happy. I do recommend that you get the steel wool wet first. It will work much better. Check out the before and after of this oven transformation. All in all, this took me about 20 minutes to get the job done. How about those oven racks? Run some hot water in your bathtub and drop in 2 or 3, depending upon how dirty those oven racks are, of a dishwasher tablet. You can also use a liquid version, but make sure it's designed for a dishwasher. Let that soak for as long as you need it to. Mine ended up soaking for about 15 minutes. Go in with your steel wool and watch that grease melt away. I love this part. Look at all this grease and grime left in my bathtub that is no longer on my oven racks. Give your oven racks a good rinse and you are good to go. And that's all you need. A good pair of gloves, Dawn Power Wash, a scrub brush, and some steel wool pads. And of course, the longer you let these products sit, the better they will work, which means less work for you. Check out the before and after of these oven racks. They almost look like brand spanking new. All products are linked in the description box below and pinned in that comment section, or scan the QR code on screen. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the first of the first, and sign up for the free newsletter linked below as well. Let's keep the fun going. Click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.